Hello, and welcome to a short tutorial about the multiplication of two binomials to produce a resultant polynomial graph. We're also going to call this a double check for proper application of the FOIL method. Now, first thing, you want to get to desmos.com/calculator, the website we'll be using. And you'll see down here in the bottom left, there's a keyboard. We're going to want to use theirs for some of the special keys and functions you don't have on a normal physical keyboard. Just show you one simple little graph first before we get going, so you familiarize yourself with where the keys are. We'll say that y is equal to 2. So you should be fairly familiar with plotting coordinate like this. All right. Now, let's go in here to our second one. Let's step it up a little bit and look what a binomial would look like. Again, this is something you're familiar with from Algebra 1, but we'll take a look at it just a refresher memory. Let's say that y is equal to x plus 2 now. By adding a second variable, what we get is a diagonal line in this case. That would be the first binomial. Now let's get this blue return line. We'll get another one. For our second binomial, let's say that it's y is equal to x minus, in this case, x minus 3. Hit the return again. And you can see we wound up with a second diagonal line that is parallel to the first one. The changes in sign and the constant are what shift it off of the axis. Now, that's two binomials. First, we'll get it the easy way and just use what Desmos gives us. And we'll call this one y is equal to the first binomial, but we'll need to put it in parentheses, of x plus 2 close that parentheses. Now multiply it by the second binomial, which we said was x minus 3. And you can see that gave us parabola. Okay. Now, I'm going to pause it here and leave it for you to work out the FOIL method before we go any further. Now we're back. Take a look at what you should have gotten by your FOIL method. First, outside, inside, and last gives you the second equation. And then we'd simplify that, combining like terms, where we have the same parabola of x squared minus x minus 6. You can show that each one is there by deleting one at a time and seeing that the color changes.